Hello, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. I opened my front door this morning, early this morning. It is actually 8:30. I went out a little before 8 and I found this box. This and another. I was very surprised to see boxes on my front porch this early in the morning. I don't think they were dropped off yesterday afternoon, but either way, this is from Eagle Moss. This does not look like the standard monthly subscription box. And it isn't time for my monthly subscription or any other orders, with one exception: the shuttles. I'm wondering if this is the shuttles. It's the only thing I can think of that I would be getting. However, I should point out that today is the 4th of December, and I went back to their website and looked, and they're not supposed to ship to the 5th. So maybe they're playing around with the Doctor Who stuff a little bit much. I don't know. Whatever. Let's open this thing up and see what we have before I make any more speculation. Let's see. Now, of course, this is US, which runs a little bit differently than the UK or other countries. But what do we have here? We thank you for your Eagle Moss shop order and appreciate your business. I'm sure you will take great pride in owning your Eagle Moss collectibles. Alright, and that is exactly what I've gotten. I have gotten the shuttles apparently a day before they were supposed to ship. Whatever. Let's slide this out of here. Oh boy. This big box really knocked some stuff over. Allow me a moment to recover. Alright. It is too big to fit in the screen without moving the camera back farther. Star Trek, the official Starship collection. And there's the heater. Give that just a moment. Star Trek, the official Starship collection, the shuttles, the Galileo, USS Enterprise, blah blah, Type 6, Type 10, and Type 9. So, it appears that they're all slid in individual boxes. So, let's slide out. We have, what is this, the Type 10. We have the Type 6, and the other end is the, just slide these over, Galileo, and the Type 7, I believe, or Type 9. Type 9. Oh, and then also in the top of the box, we have our cute little magazines. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So they're miniature. Not as big as the normal ones. These boxes are the same size, it looks, as the ones most of the ships come in. The shuttles, however, are nowhere near as big. The magazines are not much bigger, so they're definitely smaller than the regular magazines. So let's start at the beginning.